Welcome back to my channel. This is Ingenious Giacomo. This is a 2008 carrier unit we just installed to replace a very old, there was a 2008, I'm sorry, that's 2018. This is a 2008 Goodman R22. So we changed the condenser and the evaporator with the youth unit. The coils are perfect. We clean them, but as you can see, there is some discoloration. It's not corrosion really, it's just the black finish kind of wore off. So I love this stuff, the gold coat. There is the blue. I like the blue because it's more kind of covering things like that, imperfection. The clear one is not as effective, but what it does, it really bonds to the aluminum coil. It's actually designed for aluminum coil. It's made for marine and by coastal area for air conditioning. I mean, it's beautiful, man. I love the results. I'm gonna show you. It's not cheap. Can is like $30-something, so you know, 30 in some places, 35 in some others. But it makes the AC look so much better. And I notice when I treat them, they last so much longer, and they're easier to clean. Somehow it makes the coil almost like a Teflon coating. It doesn't affect at all the cooling process. Actually, makes it better so things don't stick to it. I mean, I love the way it looks, and to me, it makes the AC look so much better. It's pretty easy to apply. I'm gonna do it right now, and I'm gonna show you, just spray pretty much on it. Okay, normally I remove the grill, but because this grill was kind of crappy, I'm just gonna paint it the same color. I couldn't take it off and paint it in black, but it's not like a Goodman grill. As you can see, it's much easier with this one. Everything will go through. So let me get going. So technically I do it as I was using is spray paint, as you can see. It's only one can. I think two will be better. To do a very good job, you should do the inside of the coil too. But that's mainly a cosmetic thing. I didn't like the way it looked because the coil were fine. Just when we clean them, some of the finish peeled off. So as you can see, that it looks so much better already. It covers the discoloration of it, and it does protect it from further degeneration due to the weather. And mainly if you are by the beach with the corrosion, it really helps. And it's $30-something, like 5-minute job. Big difference in the way it's gonna look. So gold coat, the blue one. Like I said, the clear one, if people don't want it to be seen, but it will not cover stuff like this. Like the discoloration will stay with the clear. With the blue, you really don't see it anymore. So that's why I like it better. I recommend not to smell it, of course. Like all the paint, unless you want to get high. And that's it. I'll show you the results on the other side. Since it's going to be a short video. So once again, the gold coat. And let's see what we look in here. Yeah, you see, nice. I'm going to show the final result once I remove the tape. I'm going to apply a little more where I see corrosion like there. Corrosion, it was just peeling off really. You can see there is no degeneration of the coil, it's just mainly cosmetic. That's it. Let me finish and show you the final product, but you can pretty much get an idea how the process is done. There's my final product. As you can see, big difference cosmetically, and it does help cleaning the coil so they don't get as dirty. Doesn't at all affect performance. Like I say, it's specially designed for a coil. That's all it is. It's actually heat conductive, electricity conductive. So I love this stuff. So there's the gold coat. You can order online. It's a little more expensive. Amazon, around $30. It's well worth it. Clear or blue. Okay. Thank you for watching. This is Ingenious Giacomo. Please thumbs up and subscribe. We have a makeover of a 2018 air conditioning unit. It now looks almost like brand new.